Hi ladies, it's me, Yana with babycaremag.com and babyprepping.com, and today I'm here to dig into July's Ecocentric Mom Box with you guys. Ecocentric Mom Box is a monthly subscription box filled with lots and lots of natural and organic goodies for moms and babies, and we love it. We have said it plenty of times before, but seriously, it has such a good mix of products in different categories, so I'm super excited to see what's inside this month's box. So let's get right to it. First up, our little envelope with descriptions of some of the products and prices, which have been very helpful in the past to get a good value of the box. So there's 2 cards in there today, and I'll get to those whenever we get the products. A reusable swim diaper from iPlay. It's a reusable absorbent swimsuit diaper in a super cute design with snaps on one side. It feels very sturdy and soft, good quality. Let's see what else it says on the tag. It's a 24-month size from 25 to 30 pounds. Snug fit, stretchy material, and comfort seam. It does feel really good, I have to say. Wicking liner, absorbent layer, and waterproof layer, triple layer protection. Let's see what it says inside. It's obviously washable. It's UPF 50 plus, which is perfect, and 100% polyester. So that's our first product for today. Awesome. Perfect for summertime. Next up, we have a natural air freshener, Purple Frog, peppermint and eucalyptus. It's 100% plant-based essential oils, made with 100% plant-based essential oils. Oh, okay. So, I think you have to open this. Let's see what this says. Squeeze the pod till you feel it pop. Stick anywhere for an 8-hour boost. Okay, so I guess I have to open this little baggie, and then there's going to be a pod inside of there. So that is an interesting product, and I'll have to figure out where I want to use it because it's only one in here. But it says it's 96 hours of plant therapy essential oils. Squeeze and stick. I love that. Next up, we have some Yumminess by Lakey black rice crackers with rice, oil, salt, and nothing else. 100-calorie snack pack. Okay, that is made with whole grain black rice, sustainably sourced palm fruit oil, and sea salt. Looks pretty interesting. If it tastes delicious, it's gonna be a big hit. Next up, we have some bubble pods by True Kid in Yumberry scent. I guess that is a bath soap. Let's see. Yep, it's for bubble bath. Perfect. And gluten-free, tear-free, best natural bubble bath ever. And there are 8 pods in here. So that's awesome. 8 pods. Proudly made in the USA. Free of no chemicals or icky stuff. So no chemicals, icky stuff, pediatrician tested. Perfect. I think I can smell it a little bit, and it smells pretty kids approvable. So I'm sure this is gonna be fun and a hit in my house. The last product coming up by Delicioso with a 30% off coupon. Delicioso Skincare. Delicioso Skincare Under Eye Gel, Watermelon and CoQ10 Anti-Aging Under Eye Gel. That looks very interesting. It's 100% natural with organics, vegan. And we have a description card here, something for mama. This is worth $31.19. And it's an all-natural facial serum formulated with emollient oils and fortified with antioxidants that leave skin looking more dewy and supple after application, making fine lines and wrinkles less noticeable. Perfect for me. I feel like it's my birthday all over again. All right, that was our last product for today. Let's do a quick recap. First up, we had a swim diaper by iPlay. Very cute design with snaps on the side. Perfect for summer. Obviously perfect design for boys, but can definitely be used for girls as well. Next up, we had the Purple Frog Air Freshener pod, which is not visible from the package, but I'll let you guys know if I like it later on. Here we have something practical description card with it. This is worth $8. Perfect. Oh, and I'm sorry, I just noticed it says 12 packs, so there's 12 pods in here. I don't see it anywhere. Oh, here. Perfect. So that's awesome. Next up, we had the Goodie by Lakey. I believe that's how it's pronounced. Black rice crackers, 100 calories pack, perfect for on the go. Next up, something for bath time for the little ones, bubble pods. There's 8 in here in yum berry scent. I can smell it already and it's smelling pretty good. All natural, perfect. And then I want to say late birthday present because I'm super excited about it. Delicioso Skincare Under Eye Gel. This is worth, let me see if I can get this in properly. There you go. Worth about $30. It's 100% natural and organic, with organics and vegan. So this is amazing. I'm super excited about this. And then obviously also about the swim diaper, which is worth quite a few dollars. And then the snack. So that was it. That was July's Ecocentric Mom Box. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know. And I will see you next month with the next Ecocentric Mom Box. Thank you guys. Bye.